Meaning of drama.
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 Drama. Drama refers to a genre of literature, film, or television that is characterized by conflict, tension, and emotional intensity. Typically, dramas involve complex characters who are faced with difficult decisions and must navigate challenging situations. These stories often explore themes such as love, betrayal, family dynamics, and societal issues. Through their portrayal of these themes, dramas aim to elicit strong emotional responses from their audience. Whether through tears or laughter, the ultimate goal of a drama is to leave its viewers feeling deeply moved and engaged with the story being told.